which is being held by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We're learning as per highly placed sources in the government as the Prime Minister meets several economists, several discussions, several issues actually have been discussed through the course of this meeting, like Viksit Bharat, CapEx, job generation. The Prime Minister in fact also stressed on the need for job generation. So those are some of the details we are picking up of the Prime Minister's interaction with the economists in the country. Down to business after his visit to both Russia and Austria, 3-day visit, and diplomatically high on optics as well. The Prime Minister is back in India, and government sources revealing to CNN News 18 on everything that was on the agenda as far as this discussion is concerned. The Prime Minister stressing on several issues, including job generation. That remained key through this discussion. Let me take in a quick word from Pallavi joining us with more details. What more do we know about this meeting, Pallavi?
As we have been reporting, the main focus of the government, and especially on the union budget, is going to be ensuring that there is maximum job generation. And the RBI recent estimate that there has been a hike in job opportunities, and the highest it has been really 5.1%, high since 1981 to 82. So when the Prime Minister met up with a team of economists today, there are two important issues which he stressed upon, and that was the kind of input also he got in from the economists. One is the need for a Viksit Bharat. The Prime Minister said, yes, that's exactly what I'm looking at, a developed Bharat where there is going to be a focus on development in every sector. But more than that, the Prime Minister was also concerned about the fact that there should be maximum job generation, not just in the agricultural, labor-intensive sector, but also in the urban, the semi-skilled, as well as the skilled infrastructural sector as well. So we may find that in the general budget, which is going to be presented on 23rd of July, there is going to be focus and incentives given to ensure that there is maximum opportunity for jobs as far as the common man is concerned.
Many thanks, Pallavi, for joining us with the latest. We'll keep coming back to you as and when we learn more on what really is transpiring through that meeting being held by the Prime Minister right after